Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken teriyaki bowl. Chicken teriyaki is delicious as is, but it's even better with hot rice. Let me show you how to make it. These are what you need to make 2 servings. 2 chicken thigh, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons sake, 2 tablespoons mirin, 1 tablespoon sugar, some flour, onsen tamago, nori strips, some salt and pepper, chili pepper if you like, rice, and green onion to garnish. Let's cut the green onion first. Bottom off, cut them in half, put them together. Cut them in half, put them together, and slice thinly. Let's put it in this small bowl and put it aside. And chicken. You can do this with or without skin. Today, without the skin. And let's trim all the fat. Nice and clean. Let's cut it into bite size. It's about this size. Put some salt and pepper. And flour, about 1 tablespoon flour. Heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan and let's cook the chicken. Three to 4 minutes on both sides of a medium heat. Nicely brown, so let's flip them over. Cook the other side for another 3 to 4 minutes with the lid on this time to cook it completely. The bottom side is cooked nicely. Turn the heat to low and let's add the seasoning. 2 tablespoons sake, 2 tablespoons mirin, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar. Turn the heat back to medium and keep cooking as you flip them over from time to time until the sauce is nice and glossy. Okay, the chicken teriyaki is ready, so let's turn the heat off and serve. Rice, nori strips, chicken teriyaki, like a donut with a little hole in the middle. Onsen tamago. Into the hole. Some teriyaki sauce. Green onion. Shichimi chili mix. And chicken teriyaki bowl is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!